Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 12 of our physics course, Current Electricity, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with physics. Let's dive into Chapter 12, Current Electricity, an essential aspect of physics. In this overview, we dive into concept of steady current, Ohm's law, resistivity and temperature dependence, conductance and conductivity, thermistors and low temperature measurement, EMF, and PD, distinction, internal resistance and its consequences, sources of EMF, maximum power transfer, thermocouples and their function, variation of thermoelectric EMF, Kirchhoff's first law, conservation of charge, Kirchhoff's second law, conservation of energy, rheostat in the potential divider circuit, Wheatstone bridge, potentiometer function. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. Students will describe what constitutes a steady current, an unchanging flow of electric charge, and how it differs from other types of current. This lesson will cover Ohm's law, explaining the fundamental relationship between current, voltage, and resistance in an electric circuit. Practical applications and problem-solving exercises will be included. You'll learn about resistivity and how it changes with temperature. This lesson explains the effect of temperature on a material's resistance. Students will define and differentiate between conductance and conductivity. This lesson will cover how easily a material allows electric charge to flow through it. You'll explore the characteristics of thermistors and their use in measuring low temperatures. This lesson involves understanding how thermistors respond to temperature changes. Students will distinguish between electromotive force and potential difference, understanding their roles in energy considerations within electrical circuits. This lesson explains the internal resistance of power sources and its impact on external circuits, including factors affecting the performance of electrical sources. You'll learn about various sources of electromotive force, from batteries to generators, and understand how electrical energy is provided in circuits. Students will discover the conditions necessary for maximum power transfer in an electrical circuit, which is crucial for optimizing efficiency. This lesson covers thermocouples and how they generate electromotive force based on temperature differences, useful for temperature measurements. You'll explore how thermoelectric EMF varies with temperature and understands the relationship between temperature and electric potential in thermocouples. Students will apply Kirchhoff's first law to solve problems involving current distribution at junctions in circuits. This lesson will cover Kirchhoff's second law, explaining how energy is conserved in electrical circuits and applying this principle to problem solving. You'll learn about the function of a rheostat in a potential divider circuit and how it allows for varying resistance and controlling potential difference. Students will explore the Wheatstone bridge, a method used to measure unknown resistances accurately by balancing the bridge. This lesson will explain the potentiometer's function in measuring and comparing potentials without drawing current from the circuit, highlighting its sensitivity and non-disruptive nature. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam-ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 12 and embark on this enriching journey of physics, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.